Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com, bringing you Saturday Stock Talk, one stock, one trade. And today I wanted to highlight Oxy, Occidental Petroleum. Right now it's in a very interesting spot. I see support right now at 94.40, current levels down into 94. If it should break this and break 93.30, then I do have a strong feeling that the market is coming down into 91 to 90, somewhere in there, and that should provide decent support. The way I'm looking at it right now, it's starting to look like, maybe that's what is going to play out, that support could turn out to be down here. Initially, I'm targeting 104 to 105, but depending on where price stops at. So right now, I do think that 120 is a pretty good target, 115, 120, and maybe a little bit higher than that. But right now, 115, 120 is a good target, but initially 104, 105 would be it. And it really depends on what it does, between these levels to how much higher it can actually go. But that's really what I'm looking at. This is support. If it does break, especially breaking 93.30, then this is support. I have this red line here because if it does break 86, it's going much lower. And that's really what I am looking at right now. I don't know, I like Oxy, I like it longer term. I've liked it for a while, and the real question is, what is it going to do here? Is it going to support, or is it going to break down and head into this level here? So I think it's a good trade either or. If it does break down, you can trade it down to here. You could always, if it starts showing support, you could always trade it up here. Or you can, maybe average into this thing. I do like it. And like I said, initial target is here. If it hits this level, 110 I think is very easy to get hit. The 115, 120 I do expect, but I expect it to take a little bit longer to get there. It's not going to come here in a week, I don't think. It could happen, but it's not really my expectation to see it up here next week. It can definitely happen. It would at least take a few days. But right now, that's really what I'm looking for. I like Oxy. Watch those levels this week, and we'll see what actually does happen. If it takes out 105 this week, it would be very, very interesting. And going to 120, I think would definitely have a much, much higher probability if that were to occur. So anyway, thanks for watching. Feel free to send in your stocks that you want me to analyze or look at or give feedback on. And have an awesome rest of your Saturday. Have a great, great weekend. And I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.